Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 15th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P500, and Nasdaq. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So the VIX is giving us a good news today. We have a candle outside of the bullish trend right here. This is the bullish trend and we are outside of it. So we are happy. We still have stochastic quite high at 78. We should not celebrate too much yet. And all other indicators are very bullish. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, which was maintaining itself above this support right here at 31. Let me just write it down. 31,060. So we broke that today. Yeah. Instead of bouncing on this support a little bit, we just are caving in here. So this is not looking good with a very bad stochastic. So I would not be surprised that we could be coming down around this area right here. So this is entirely possible that this happens. Because we have all green, all red, thumb down. Basically everything is red here. Let's look at SPX. SPX is maintaining itself a little bit better. The support that we did on September 6th, we are maintaining ourselves above it. So this is a little bit better than Dow Jones. And let's look at Nasdaq Composite now. Nasdaq Composite is also maintaining itself. Is it Dow Jones that's just too pessimistic, or is Dow Jones the leader and the others are going to follow suit? We could see this as soon as tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.